This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Cries in the corner. Hey, further sharing Look Where the Rat Went. It's being her character illustrator's new exhibition entitled Under Voyager. The artist Mika Picasso remarking, "I'm glad Bay came to the exhibition and fans come from all over the world." And speaking all over the world, Bay flying to where? And later replying to Nanashi Mume with surprise mother truckers. These two Hollow Promise members off collabing in the United States, complete with
my college classes. After being there a year and a half, they announced everyone would be getting a review. My general manager came to me and told me the time she wanted to schedule.
What is wrong with you?
I told her at that time that I would be needing a quarter raise, $10 a week, in order to make it so I could sustain working there while going to college. And she said she understood. When my review came, I was floored. Despite all of the work I had put in, and the energy I had poured into my job,
South
hoping
Carolina,
to reach management while going to college,
742,
she has said...
Capability of driving is not the legal authority to do so, but in 2022 he did get that granted back to him, or at least he should have. But apparently the soulless husks at the Michigan Secretary of State's office never received the clearance from the Saginaw Friend of the Court. I hate that title, by the way, Friend of the Court. That shit sounds so childish. Makes me feel like I'm reading a Dr. Seuss book. Oh yes, this is the Michigan Secretary of State's office.
Stupid, dumb mother. Dang.
Been a time to have someone pry into their lives from decades ago, but Amelia didn't know the empty. She told me about the ex-wife of one of those brothers, a woman named Amy Lowe.
काम करना भी मैं बात नहीं हुई थी ऊपर वाली साइड तो बड़ी दर्द हुआ है फिर मेरे पट्टी पुट्टी भी नहीं आती ला दी
ਭੈਣ ਚੋਦਾ ਸਾਲਾ
Sorry, buddy.
She gasped.
At work.
Sorry, little sister, he said, but we don't have time. He shot out into the night and threw a sweeping turn, leaving Aya gasping as her ribs
the
her.
They're gonna crash into each other!
She grunted. You'll get there faster without me.
Who goes into the
Your
shoulder
English is better
to
than mine.
pass?
And tell
No, we don't live in the past, live in the moment, you know it don't last.
In 700 feet, continue to FDR Drive south.
the hell are you doing? Are you serious?
You just ruined that guy, dude.
Yeah, they made us play it in school all the time because, well, I guess because it's a state sport or whatever, but oh my goodness, that was crazy. We just got dash cam footage of somebody who was turning left and not at the right time and almost got hit.
Oof. That's a save.
Damn, they almost got him.
Managers and specialists work together to make sure your portfolio and wealth are managed in a tax-efficient manner. It's what you keep.
Y'all people need to pay attention. Leave a little room there. Trucker 101.